is the Outland Firebowl. And how does this work? Well, this is just basically a fire kit that we're going to open. We're going to place it here. And then we're going to plug it in our propane tank to see if it works. So inside of the the Firebowl manual, you also get the sound. There is a cover, a list of the covers. So let me show you everything you got. Your bag is here. We got 4 bags. And this is what you're going to be using to connect to your tank. There's one. I think we want to just take a detailed look at the unit itself. You can notice that you have a easy to use control knob here to control the intensity. It's solidly built. This is definitely stainless steel. It has a good weight to it, and with the ratchet, you're not going to be worried about this blowing away. You're not going to worry about this blowing away. So assembly, you're going to enclosed, you take it out, remove the plastic bag, simply on the rocks, you add in the rocks. Whenever handle the rocks after being used, the 4th bag of rocks are included as spare rocks, and when it's not in use, you can just wrap it up and cut it away that way. Who's going to be securely attaching it to your propane tank. Just to show you again, regulator chat. Dawn. And we have high. We can turn those down. And as you can see, it is operational. It's working. If you want to zoom in, there it is. You can control the intensity. Now, I don't recommend going too big. You don't need to. You can get the heat, but it can really go. We can really put out some output. So I don't recommend going so big, but if you are interested in it, they can keep you warm, and it's actually just a great piece if you want to hang out at the family of the bank. So you want to turn it off? Launch it, we turn it. And we can turn it off. Turn it off. Outland Firebowl. That's everything in the box. I think it's a very easy to use fire pit. And as you can see, right on the box, doesn't take a lot of work. It works really well. And you could use it safely in a small but open space.